we are taking a boat. I'm not even sure where we're going yet, but we are taking a boat around some islands close to here, I believe. But yeah, it's 8:15. We have to go take the bus at 8:30. So I'm gonna go get a coffee and then go walk over to the bus so that we can take the boat. Oh, just brush my teeth. So we're in Piso. We came over from here. We went up to Nausa. We came back down. 9:30, and we're waiting for our boat and looking at the little fish. And from here, we're gonna go to, what is it called again?
Koufonisia.
Koufonisia. Okay, we'll get it by the end of the day. But it's a very pretty port over here. They've got like a nice beach over there too. There's a lot of nice areas on this island. A lot of different areas. We just got here. How many hours do we have?
6 hours.
And what we are supposed to do?
We're gonna go to the beach, explore the island.
So we made it to this beach called Paralia. What do we think before we show it? What do we think about it?
My hair, amazing. It's amazing. What's going on with me?
So this is Paralia. It's on the north side of, what is this island called again?
Koufonisia.
Koufonisia, right. And we're gonna go check out, there's cliffs over there, and we're gonna go check those out later. I'm gonna get some good drone footage of everything. And we got some sailboats over there, but it's crystal clear water, right?
Yep.
Oh, somebody's trying to take a picture. Somebody got some octopus in a can. For all my Americans out there.
In Spain, it's very typical. This is octopus.
I'm trying the octopus. Oh, it's actually pretty good.
It's really good. I told him.
Alright, so I'm having a picnic, a couple beers, got these sesame sticks and this spicy like feta cheese, and then this like chorizo kind of salami, and that's lunch today, right?
Yes.
We are in Koufonisia. Okay, so it's actually the next day now. My phone died while we were doing it, which caused some interesting things. So I was flying the drone, following Laura just to get some shots of the biking, and my phone died, and then the drone didn't return to home or whatever. And then so we went around just walking through these fields in Greece, getting yelled at by all these like local people, trying to find the drone. Finally, I realized, okay, maybe Laura can connect to it. So I downloaded the app, and then I could connect to the drone through her phone. So one thing I thought was really stupid was like, why didn't the drone just come up, return home, whatever, you know? Like when my phone died, return from the spot it started from, it just like, I could see that it was in a bush, but I just didn't know which bush it was in because there's a bunch of bushes. And so I connected Laura's phone and was able to make it beep, and I was able to find it, ultimately get it out. But I was like, you know, it was almost completely ruined my day because my phone died, and then the drone was in a bush somewhere that I didn't know which bush it was. It was in some random field, somebody's property, so I had to like jump the fence and then go walk around looking for it. But eventually I found it. I actually haven't tested to see if it works still or if it's really damaged, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little bit of damage on the, you know, nothing crazy. I mean, I'm gonna take this off. I can feel it's rotating fine. This is the only thing I don't like about this is that it's this protective cover, but it's honestly not that easy to get off. So, I mean, the camera looks fine, but we'll let it go through its checks. So, you can see it's going through its progression. Yep, it's fine. So, it flew into a bush, but it is okay. And I'll be able to get some footage off of it. Laura's face relaxes so much when she doesn't think anybody's looking at her or there's no camera. And then, as you can see, when the camera's on, Laura's on.
Yeah, I'm always camera ready, okay?
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. That's right.